Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to disable your anti-defender antivirus real-time protection on Windows 11 or 10. So we are going to permanently disable this. If you want to disable it normally, you can just turn it off. Turn it Disabling it not recommended, but for any reason you want to disable it, you can disable it easily with the help of registry editor. Just you need to type a registry, and once you type here the registry, you need to run it as admin. Even you can run reg edit on the run command and press OK key. Now once you press OK key, you need to navigate to this path: H key, local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows Defender. H key, local machine, software, then click on Microsoft, this one, policies, Microsoft, software, then click on policies, expand it, then Microsoft, expand it, and then Windows Defender. Here is Windows Defender. You just need to click the option Windows Defender. Now we need to create this value here: disable anti-spyware. Starting letter is capital, as you can see here, DAS. Let's type it. Right click and D word 32-bit. Type here D, disable anti, S, D and A should be capital, SPY where, and let's recheck it. It should be correct, otherwise it wouldn't be working for you. Anti-spyware is correct. Now we need to double click and change its value to 1. Now you are good to go. Just restart your Windows. I'm going to restart my Windows and then I will show you. Okay, so I just checked it and this is enabled, and when I try to check the registry editor here, it's gone now. It means that it is automatically deleting this key. So to prevent this, first you need to turn off these. Turn off all the options here, and thereafter we can create this registry key here. The same key. Now let's change its value from 0 to 1, and now let's restart the Windows. Now let's check it, and it's spinning when I open the registry key here, regedit. Let's try to open it and see the key we have created is still present here, and now antivirus should be disabled on my Windows. As you can see, it is getting up the protection info but not turning on the virus and threat protection on Windows. Let's wait for a few seconds here, and then as you can see here, no antivirus provider is showing up here. And if you want to restore your setting to the defaults, I mean you want to enable this, you just need to delete this, or even you can change its value from 0 to 1. But I suggest you to delete this key simply and then restart your Windows, and thereafter you should able to turn it on, the virus and threat protection on your Windows. I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.